Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making marinated fried chicken. This is so good, and I love it chopped up in a salad, as well as the main dish. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. The first thing I'm going to do is marinate chicken that I have removed all the fat from, and I've rinsed it. And I'm going to put this in a quart-sized bag. And then I'm going to put some freshly made Italian dressing, and I'm making two different kinds. One has the dressing, one doesn't, because my husband really does not like Italian dressing. And this is going to go in the fridge for a couple hours before I go on to the next step. Okay, I've got a couple eggs and some milk all whipped up. I like adding milk to it because it makes it a little fluffier. And I've got just plain breadcrumbs. And to that I'm going to add a little Italian seasoning. I like Italian seasoning, as you can tell. Onion powder, and a little garlic powder. And this way I can have the breading taste the way I want it, but it doesn't have extra salt, which is one thing I really don't need. Okay, I drained most of the dressing off of the chicken, and I'm just going to do it like regular fried chicken. Pop it in the egg. Put it in the breadcrumbs. Get it coated with the breadcrumbs, and then put it in the vegetable oil that's nice and hot. And I'm going to cook these until they're brown on one side, and then flip them over, and they'll be, and of course I'll check them to make sure they're cooked all the way through, but then they'll be ready to serve. Okay, it's all done. It's ready to be served. This is the marinated fried chicken, and this is the plain for hubby. And if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.